everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. So today I am showing you how to infuse amla powder into some oils that are very beneficial for hair growth. So amla powder on its own is very beneficial for hair growth as it contains some vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can stimulate hair growth. So I will be adding a bunch of oils. So this is black seed oil and some rosemary essential oil. And we have our blend of wonderful carrier oils that are known to promote hair growth. There's castor oil and a bunch of other oils in there. Be sure to try it. It's really great. So amla powder does contain a lot of hair stimulating properties, and a lot of people have used this even right here on YouTube to show how they achieved incredible hair growth. So I'm adding it to these my oils just to fortify the benefits. So that's fractionated coconut oil. I like to use this oil when I'm infusing Ayurvedic powders just because it absorbs very quickly and nicely. So I just add some heat and begin to do the infusion process. So this powder, I ordered it online and it's very powdery. So you can actually get away with just adding it into the oil, but you will get a bit more residue. So that's why I'm just doing this step to make sure that as much as possible there is no particles left in the mix, even though I still got some sediments, but not enough to form any kind of buildup on the hair. So amla powder is known to actually reduce premature graying, which is something that most people don't like. Obviously, as you get older, you want to slow down the aging process as much as possible if you can. It's a blessing to age, but if the gray hairs can be kept away for as long as possible, that would be great. So I'm adding the oil blend. So we do have castor oil in that oil blend. It ends up being a greenish color because we have grapeseed oil, avocado oil, and a bunch of wonderful oils that promote hair growth. So black seed oil, which I'm showing here, is an oil that is really understated when it comes to hair growth. It promotes incredible hair growth because of the properties it contains. It contains some fatty acids that are known to stimulate the follicles. It's been used extensively over the years, actually, to promote hair growth, preventing balding, and it fights inflammation that is known to promote hair loss. So it's a very good hair loss remedy. That's why I'm adding it into this blend. It's one of the oils that I use most in this blend because of the antibacterial qualities that it has. So if you use it on your scalp, you'll find out that it helps to keep any scalp problems, itching, unnecessary shedding. It does keep it at bay. So that's why I'm adding it to the mix. And that's, of course, rosemary essential oil, which is a staple in my hair care regimen. It's been known to promote hair growth even by dermatologists. They have found that it does help with hair growth, and we carry the organic version of rosemary essential oil. So be sure to check it out on our website. Check out the black seed oil, which is also known as cumin seed oil. You can just look these oils up and you'll find out that they are well known to promote hair growth and prevent hair loss problems and unnecessary thinning of the hair. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's a very simple DIY, and I hope you get all the ingredients from our website and make yours today. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.